Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shauna. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. This is basically me driving in my vehicle, talking to you guys about where I have been, because it's been, I think my last video I uploaded was either the end of March or the beginning of April, but I'm pretty sure it was the end of March. And I have not sorry you guys, y'all, I'm recording with my iPhone, so I have this like holder on my vent and trying to there we go. Okay, so it's the little iPhone holder I got from Five Below. I'm supposed to wear my eyeglasses when I drive, so I'm going to put those on. But I haven't posted a video since the end of March, so it's been, let's see, June, February, March, April, and then now we're in May. My daughter's birthday, I have a teenage daughter, and her birthday is May 21st of this month, so a lot going on this month. I just dropped my daughter's dad off at work. I am off today, thank goodness. I started a new full-time job, so I've been busy at work because where I started work, they like already needed help. So when I started, and then this girl went out because she had an emergency, a family emergency. So when this girl went out, I was having to like go in, I still am, early. So I have been working, getting a lot of overtime. The job started me out at $9 an hour. And it is a job, it's an essential job. I do work with the public, and so I get like over 40 hours a week because I've been getting overtime, and I've been super tired. And then I get home and I want to make a content YouTube video for you guys so bad. I don't want to be tired on camera though, and like my feet will hurt and I'll just be so achy, and I don't want to be making a video and be so tired on camera. So that's another reason I haven't uploaded since the end of March or beginning of April. So my boyfriend, I just dropped him off at work. They're on 12-hour shifts, Monday through Friday, and they're on overtime. So we're both working overtime, which is not a bad thing. It's just really tiring. And the job he's at is like 2 years now he's been at, so he makes pretty good, really good there actually. And we do only have one vehicle. That's why I take him to work, because when I go to work, I go in, he goes in earlier than I do. We're both on second shift, and some days I have to pick my daughter up from school. She does not have school today. My daughter is with a friend. They went and got their nails done earlier, and I believe she's going to spend the night again with her best friend tonight. I met her at the mall earlier. They're going to get their nails done together because it was just her best friend's birthday. And I also drove my boyfriend to work because I got to stop and get my cats some cat food. They're out of cat food, so there's a Dollar General right by where I live. I don't really want to go to Walmart right now. I do want to go to Walmart later. So I gotta stop and get cat food. And yeah, so he's at work. My daughter's at a friend's house. It's just me, myself, and I today, relaxing, chilling, enjoying my off day. I love off days from work. I can actually just take a breather, chill, and make a video for you guys if I want. I love that for me. And also, I want to do another video. It's time to dye my hair again, and I have this video where I dyed my hair and it's really blown up. Like, it has over 1,000 views, almost 2,000 views, which I feel like is a lot. And also thank you to y'all who have subscribed. I've just been really busy. Sorry I haven't uploaded. I was doing so good at being so consistent, but I'm gonna try my best to upload, you know, every other day again. Even though I do have a full-time job, I'm still gonna try my best, because I love doing this. It's like a great fun hobby for me. My daughter's kind of embarrassed. She's afraid her friends are gonna see it. She's just at that age. She's not embarrassed of me, just the whole, like, her mom being on YouTube and her friends seeing it. Like, she was like, kind of like, I don't want you doing that. And I told her I enjoy doing this, you know, and I feel like she'll appreciate it someday, because it is a passion of mine. Also, I've been seeing all these ladies that have talked about their OnlyFans and how good they do and what good money it is. And my daughter's about to be 16. She wants a car. We want a house. We stay in a townhouse. And I've been seriously thinking about it. I don't think I would go full noodles, but I really am thinking about doing an OnlyFans, but I will definitely let y'all know if I do. I feel like, you know, that's another form of income, a good income I can make. Also, okay, so I'm about to pull in Dollar General to get the cat food. Also, what else has been going on? Yeah, just work. Okay, so my daughter, when we got our townhouse, my daughter, I bought like furniture, like a kitchen table, living room, couch and sofa and coffee table and a bed for Olivia, and we got her bedroom, you know, set up and everything. And okay, I'm at Dollar General now. And but we had bought 2 air mattresses, because when we first got in our townhome, I didn't have the money for a big old bed for mine and Shane's bedroom. So we got to where one of the air mattresses had a hole in it, and would always, like, the air would go out. So we would sleep downstairs. I would be on one couch, he would be on another. And we did this, like, we've been doing this for a while now. And I finally got a bed, a brand new mattress and box springs, a brand new frame from Amazon. The bed and box springs is from this mattress store in a town over from mine. When I make that video for you guys, I'll show you, and the prices and where I got everything. It's called Dawn's Mattresses or something like that. And it's a brand new full-size mattress on a brand new box springs. It was on sale. And then I got the bed frame, like the bottom part, the frame part, which was so easy to put together. Got that from Amazon. Bought this beautiful comforter set from Amazon. And then he bought the cutest rug from Dollar General, Shane did, to match the comforter set in our room. And I bought the sheets, pillowcases, 2 extra pillows at Walmart. And that will be the next video I make for you guys, is basically a bedroom makeover. How much I spent, what each thing costs. I may link pictures, since I don't have literally it took 3 to 4 minutes just taking the frame out of the box, it went straight into the slot. Like I had 2 long bars, and then the middle bars, it was like 3 middle bars, went into the slots. It literally took 3 minutes to put that together. And when they deliver, I had to pay extra money for them to deliver my full-size mattress and box springs. And they took it upstairs for us, and I set it up against this like closet thing I have up there. And when I got home one night from work, I just took the frame out of the box, put it together. Earlier that day, when the mattress came, and I went and got the sheets and pillows from Walmart. And then I got home one night, put that together. It literally took 3 to 4 minutes. Flipped over the box spring on the bed, then the mattress, and then put my sheets on there, the pillowcases. And I have not put the comforter and the pillow shams on it yet that I ordered from Amazon, and I will film me doing that. So be on the lookout for the next video, which is a room makeover. Excited for that. And yeah, so now I need to go in here and get some cat food for my kitty cats, and I will show you guys what cat food I use for them. So we're gonna do that real quick. I need to sit you guys down for a sec. Why is it in my purse? And it's a beautiful day here in Alabama. It is. I have the temperature up on my rear view mirror. It tells how many degrees it is today, and it is 73 degrees. It's a beautiful day. I'm just drinking. I hadn't had lunch yet. I'm gonna go home and make me some lunch in just a minute. I'm drinking a bottle of water. And this morning I picked up a small caramel frappe and 2 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits for me and my man, because we've got to go to the grocery store tomorrow before I go to work. I don't have to be at work till I think 5 tomorrow. So I go to work at 5. So let's go get this cat food, and I'll show you guys what cat food I use. And I'm gonna go home and feed Nyla. And this is already a 12.5-minute video. So I did a little bit of makeup and did my lashes today, because I really am loving wearing lashes right now. So yeah, let's just get I'm in Dollar General. Let's just get the cat food. That's really all I need right this minute. They have the cutest stuff in here though. And I need to put my glasses on so I can see. And I need to get a new prescription of glasses. It's been like a year now, and I need a new prescription. And I love, okay, so before I was filming on my, this is what I use for my cat, on my Android tablet, right? Well, now I just got the new iPhone SE, and then I'm gonna upgrade in June to the either iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. But the iPhone I have now that I just got is basically compared to an iPhone 11. And they said all the iPhone 11s are expensive right now because they're more expensive than 12s, because they're going out of, not going out of stock, but they're not going to be making iPhone 11s anymore. So they're having a deal. So my daughter has the iPhone 11X, I think, or not. What is it she has? Yeah, it's the iPhone 11 XR. She has the iPhone 11 XR, and she wants to upgrade to the iPhone 12 Pro. And we went up to Walmart twice to get the upgrade, and the second time the system was down. So I'm gonna try to do that closer to her birthday also when we go car shopping. But yeah, I'm gonna pay for this cat food real quick, and I will see y'all in a bit. Okay, so just got the cat food, the goods for the kitty. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here because my townhouse is just right maybe a minute from here, and then I'll be home, and I need to feed Nyland. I need to eat. So I'm gonna end this video here. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me, and this is just an update on where I've been. Please give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.